everyone, welcome to Tokyo Kitchen Japanese cooking class. This is Yoshimi. Today I'm going to show you how to make Atsuage. Atsuage is thick deep fried tofu. And we normally buy it off the shelf even though it's very easy to make at home. But nothing is better than homemade Atsuage. Let me show you how to make it. These are what you need. Some firm tofu and generous amount of vegetable oil. Today I'm using canola oil, but you can use sunflower oil instead. At first, we need to drain the tofu really well. So let's take the tofu out from the package. Put it on the paper towel. Wrap it up. And I'm going to microwave them at 600 watt for 2 minutes each. Today I have 2 tofu, so I'm doing 4 minutes. Okay, now prepare new kitchen paper. Unwrap this kitchen paper and wrap it with the new one. The tofu is very hot here, so be careful not to burn yourself. And put something heavy on top and leave it for 10 minutes. Okay, it's been 10 minutes, so let's unwrap the tofu. I'm heating up some vegetable oil over medium heat. Let's put the tofu into the oil. And if the surface of the tofu is too wet, dry it with paper towel. And I'm going to fry them about 10 minutes as I flip them over from time to time. It's fried for 5 minutes, so let's flip it over. The bottom side is fried for 5 minutes, so let's see how it looks. Looking good. Bring the heat up to medium-high and cook them for another few minutes to make sure it's nice and crispy all over. Looks good, so let's take them out on the wire lock. And homemade Atsuage is ready to go. You can use this as an ingredient for other dish, but you can also eat it as is. And when you're eating as is, just cut them in bite-sized pieces. Serve it in a bowl. Put some grated ginger, katsuobushi bonito flakes, some green onion for the nice color and the flavor, some soy sauce, and it's good to go. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. More videos coming up, so don't forget to subscribe and turn the notification bell on so that you don't miss anything. Bye!